Let the games begin.
Dip it in the glue. Oops, that's not enough. There we go.
Sure it is. Keep it up.
So then start over here and we twist it.
And it is at this
around.
point I realized I'm out of my league.
My hands are always full of glue. So I just give it a little twist.
Clamp it a little bit.
And then I use my tweezers to kind of curve the leaves a little bit so that they curve down. And then there, I have a lavender.
Ooh.
And for this particular step, I had to make these, which will get folded out, and the lavender in sections like that will be put into my little thing here. So if I have to do this and oops, curve them out a little bit. I can't. It's harder to do without two pairs of tweezers.
You should get another pair of tweezers.
Oh, I don't need them. I have them right here.
There you go. Math. Science.
So if I curve them out like so.
And you have to do that like 50 more times.
This one I only have to do 2 of this one.
Okay. But as you can see, there's a big pile.
I've already done a shit ton of flowers. So then once my leaves are out a fair amount, then I can take these and I put them in here. Oops.
Oh,
Maybe
you lost your flower.
Corey laughs at me. There we go. So here's my little paper lavender. It's got to be glued. It's not glued yet.